Hello guys, so this is my tour of my house. I just made this. Holy lot. Okay. Ito lang. Tapos, this one, which I cannot remember. So, I could actually think to live in the house. Okay. Dito yung kung nasa nakukup. Sa roof yan kasi hindi malagay yun. Ito, meron pa kami. So, which is my favorite first show. This is a movie theater. My bathroom. Which is, isa lang naman. Isang pixel. Para dalawa. Ito. This is my bedroom. Ito. Tapos dito. Kung nasaan nag-gym. Meron gym kung makikita sa. Yan. Tapos din meron sa taas din sa yan na favorite ko. Ito. Which pwede yung itong emote. Ito mo gawin. Kapag ginagawa ko na. Yep. Pwede ka parang nagsisit. Oh my god. Anyways, kinorak-click ko nilagay. Kaya parang nulog ako dito. Taas din. Mano ko nilagay. Fuck no! And it doesn't work because it's not a real thing, bro, in this game. But it's okay. Goodbye.